What is up, everyone? Welcome back to your daily stimulus check news. The topic of today's video is your fourth stimulus check update. Today is April 19th. Let's get right to the very first article. Yahoo Finance, you know it's reputable, you know it's legit. Fourth stimulus check update. Biden facing mounting pressure for new stimulus check payment. That's the very first article. Then we have the second article, also Yahoo Finance. Your third stimulus checks could be eligible for a bonus payment, aka a fourth stimulus check. Again, Yahoo Finance. And finally, we have this article, stimulus check latest update. Is a fourth stimulus check possible? But real quick, I want to pick one winner for my last video. If you didn't know, I post daily videos, minimum one if not two videos every single day. Not only do I post daily videos, and every single video I give away free Amazon gift cards. I give away over 1,350 people free Amazon gift cards, over $23,500. So if you want to enter the free Amazon gift card giveaway, all you have to do is you have to hit that like button, you have to hit that subscribe button, comment the word purple. Just comment the word purple or a purple emoji. Again, hit that like, be subscribed, comment purple. Now with that out the way, let's pick the winner for my last video. Right here, bless America, Tammy Johnson. Congratulations, you are the winner. Congratulations, Tammy Johnson. Again, email me averagetuber@yahoo.com. If you want a chance to win a free Amazon gift card, just hit that like, be subscribed, comment the word purple. Our last giveaway winner, as you see right here, you can see Amazon right here. AT sent you a free Amazon gift card. Hope you enjoy your Amazon gift card. And if we look right here, you can see my last video, it was Sherry Jones. She said, hello, I am Sherry Jones. Thank you. I didn't see this email. So she sent another email. Do I get an Amazon card? And I said right here, average tuber to Shiri. Hello Shiri, congratulations on being the Amazon gift card winner. Here's your free Amazon gift card, and this is the code that I sent her email. She would then go to Amazon, type in this code, get that money right on her Amazon account, or her bank account. She wants to withdraw it. Now with that out the way, let's get back to the articles and let's summarize. Basically, this article right here, is there going to be a fourth stimulus check payment coming? Right now, according to my source, they're working on it. Allegedly, it's about 60% yes, 40% no. I'm gonna keep it 100% honest like I do. I don't lie to you guys. I don't manipulate you guys. I don't tell you what you want to hear just for likes. I'm going to ask for a like, but that's only if you truly like the video, if you want to support me. But I keep it 100% honest, right? Right now, nobody knows indefinitely. Nobody knows 100% concrete yes or no. If you didn't know, Joe Biden already officially confirmed 100% additional 2 stimulus packages and a total spending limit of $4 trillion. But the question is, will this spending money actually include fourth stimulus checks, reoccurring 1 or 2 stimulus checks? That's the question. Right now, according to my source, that's what they're currently talking about. It's not 100% done, but at least progress is being made. At least, Democrats, Republicans are coming together and negotiating and trying to make some kind of deal. A deal might not happen, but at least the good news is some kind of progress is being made. So again, you have that to look forward to as a possibility. Not 100% concrete, guys. Not 100% yes, it's going to happen, or no, it's not going to happen. But at least 100%, according to my source that actually works inside Senate, that it is a very good possibility. About 60% it will happen. And as you see right here by these two, Yahoo News, very credible articles and sources, there is leftover money. The question is, who gets this money? Now, with that being said, there's 2 things to understand. The first thing to understand is that Joe Biden allegedly said there's going to be an additional 2 stimulus packages from the leftover $40 million. If you didn't know, in the stimulus budget, there's left over $40 million. The first thing you have to understand is allegedly there's going to be, 2 more stimulus packages, and will or will it not include stimulus checks? I'm leaning towards yes, according to my source, yes. Now, the second thing you have to understand is who will get this money. There's not enough money for every single person to actually receive stimulus checks. Basically, there's only enough money for about 30 to 50% at best, at most, of Americans, United States citizens actually receiving this money. So it leaves you with 2 options. Would you guys either prefer that only, 40, 50, let's say best case, between 30 and 50% of Americans, some people receive it, some citizens do, or some don't? Or would you prefer right here, New Jersey might give $40 million of federal funds to unemployed immigrants, aka illegals, and as we see right here, this is the New York Times, it's credible, $2.1 billion for undocumented workers for Signal's New York progressive shift. Whatever happened to, being proud of, where you're from, whatever happened to patriotism, in my personal opinion, what is wrong with people? Why do people want to give $2.1 billion, $40 million for illegal immigrants? This is 100% wrong. Guys, if you don't agree with me, that's fine, just comment below, but please don't curse. We are adults. If we have a disagreement, I will not, mute you. I'm not going to censor you. Just don't curse at me. Don't act like a child, basically. Comment if you disagree with me. That's fine. But if you do actually support support me. Comment saying, I support you, because I would rather have somebody else receive stimulus check and I don't, but I know it actually could help someone else that's a citizen, than all of the money go to people that are undocumented illegal immigrants. I want to let you guys know something. Every single dollar, every single cent from all of my stimulus check money was given away and was used to actually help people on my channel. If you don't know, every single day on my channel I give away free money to free people. I've been doing this for literally a year, every single day, at least once if not twice, in every single video. And during the month of December, not only did I give away free Amazon gift cards every day, in my members, if you're not a member, I gave away free Christmas gifts. I picked one person, I literally bought them a Christmas gift. I would much rather personally choose option one, where I don't receive a stimulus, but I know another, hardworking citizen of this country would, than to have all the money go to illegal workers, guys, illegal immigrants that are not citizens, that don't have a social security number, that don't pay taxes. But again, comment if you guys agree or disagree. And what I was saying when I said members, if you're not a member, hit this white join button on my channel. It only costs 99 cents. All the money does go to charity. All the money does go to a good cause. There's a bunch of perks to being a member. Not only if you hit that white join button for 99 cents, less than $1, all the money goes to a good cause. It all goes to charity, but you get a diamond next name that changes colors. If you look in the comments right now, if you see someone with a little diamond that changes all different colors, guys, they're actually a member. They actually choose to support me. All the money goes to someone else in need. Not only that, you get members only exclusive emojis. You get members only exclusive right here content, exclusive community tab, because we are the best community on YouTube. I named it community because we are the best community. Exclusive videos, pictures, live stream, polls. You can ask me questions, investing questions. Every single video you can see in the chat in these videos, I actually interact with people live. I'm there live. I'm answering questions. I'm giving away money. Every single month I pick one person. I give away free Amazon gift cards. I go live for hours. This is literally the best community on YouTube. So if you do want to support me, please hit this white join button. It costs less than $1. You get a diamond next name. You get a bunch of cool stuff. I also have a Patreon if you prefer Patreon. And finally, last but not least, I do have a clothing line brand if you do want to support me. And like I was saying, if you look right here, 100% cotton, all the money does go to help someone else. It's only $19.99. So if you want to support me, just know, unlike all the other YouTubers, I won't lie to you. I'm going to post daily videos, and every single day I genuinely give away every single penny I make to help people. In 2020, guys, I actually gave away more money than I made on my YouTube channel, and that's a fact. So please hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, share this on social media, Facebook, Twitter, Instagram. Let's spread the word out there that I post daily videos, and every single day I give away free money. I literally want to give away money. I want to be Mr. Beast 2.0. I'd rather help 1 million people and give $1 million away than put $1 million in my bank account, right? I literally want to be like a philanthropist. I literally want to help people. That's all I want to do. I don't want to become a millionaire. I want to build the best community on YouTube. And imagine if every single person hit join. You know what I could do, guys? Every single day I can give away hundreds of dollars to hundreds of people. I could literally make a difference. I could change the world. Please hit that like button. Please hit that subscribe button. Share this on social media. Hit join if you're not a member. That's it for today, guys. I genuinely thank you from the bottom of my heart for every single person who supports me, who's here every day, who hits that like button. America above all, guys. Whatever happened to patriotism, guys? Whatever happened to being proud of where you come from? I literally love this country. I love each and every single one of you that come every day to support me. You're the best community on YouTube. Have a great day, guys. Stay blessed. That's it for today. Peace.